Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog. So today I have another hit or miss review for you, and it's another one of those tools that was released mid-year, so there was no creativation release or any of those things, so I thought this was worth looking at because I really like the idea. I thought it was a super cool idea. Whether it works, we're going to find out together. I have had a little bit of an investigate in here just in case I needed batteries, but this is the glitter Mini Vac from We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm really excited to see whether it works because if you work with glitter, you'll know you get bits all over the place, and I taught you lots of tricks to kind of avoid some of that. We would have a little bit of clear up, and I have a few different things to try. So we're going to try sparkle dust, we're going to try glitter, we're going to try confetti stars, and we're going to try a really coarse glitter too and see what works best. And of course you don't want to miss Creativation coverage. It's coming up in what, about 3 weeks. It's amazing. We've got another year gone. We are the official media partner again, so be sure to check that out. And we'll have booth tours, lives, we've got behind the scenes access. We'll be on the show floor before anyone else gets on there. And you can see all those things. We'll be at the product event. I'm doing a panel discussion which we'll broadcast. So many different things going on. I can't wait to share it all with you. So be sure you've hit subscribe, rung the bell, and then there'll be a Creativation playlist coming out really soon as well. So super excited on that. But let's look at this glitter vac. So let's open this up in here. Again, another tool that I saw on the shelf. I was like, oh, finally I can buy it in stores. And so I bought it. This was not provided to me. This is how it looks when it comes. You've got these little brushes on the bottom. And then when you want to empty it out, you just unclip that and that's your area to empty out. And it twists back on. Now the other cool part, which I'm going to do, is that this turns like this and your little USB cord to charge it is in the top, which I think is a really neat idea. So pop that there, but it does have a little bit of charge in it. I checked. We'll just pop the cable tie back in and then it just slides. So it's really a nice mechanism. I just have to remember how I did that. Is it just lifts and slides. So just lift and slide. You can see it nice and easy. Now turn it on. You just do this and then it's going to start sucking. So let's make a little bit of a mess and then we're going to try it out. So as I say, we're going to try a few different things and see what it can cope with. So I have confetti stars, just small ones. Make sure these are on your screen. There we go. You can see them. I'm trying a coarser glitter just down. Whoops. Let's take my sticky lid off down here. And then I'm also going to try a regular glitter. So this is the Nuvo Mermaid Parade. I'm just going to try a little bit over here. And then I also have sparkle dust, which is a ultra fine or microfine glitter. So we're going to try all the different options and see how it goes. All right, so that's that. And now we're going to turn this on. So we'll start with our microfine. There we go. It's done a really good job. So you can see my surface is now completely clear. Now we're going to move on to that mermaid. Great job again, just sucked it straight up. Now we're going to move on to thicker. So this is the sweet peach circles. Again, gone. This is awesome. And then these are the confetti stars. I expected it to kind of struggle a bit more with these just because they're thicker. But actually, a couple of extra passes and everything is inside. So actually, I'm really impressed that it went all the way up to our confetti stars, which I think is amazing that it can do that. So again, if you need to empty it, you just twist this bottom piece here, open it up. You can see your excesses in there. I'm just going to tap this into the bin and tap this one, and then it's empty. Screw that back on, and there you go. Done. Super simple. And you charge here in the back with that USB cable, plug it into your computer, plug it into a USB outlet, you know, all those things, anything you use for your iPhone, those little blocks, they all work really well. Or they do a charging bank. So I will add links to everything in the description for you, including these and our tonic coupon of the month. We have a different one every month. Or if you want to save 10% across the entire tonic store, you can join our members perks program below. We'll send you a birthday card. You get tons of coupons in there. But if you're not a member, then you can still get 10% off at Ellen Hudson, coupon for tonic, all those things. They're always in the description below for every single video. So always check those. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell, all of those fun things. And I will see you again tomorrow for another tip, trick tutorial, or maybe something a little bit different. But we'll find out then. In the meantime, happy crafting, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.